Okay, YouTube. Sorry about the last video. I got cut off. Yeah, batteries went dead. It didn't start. I pressurized the fuel tank up again. Or I was getting ready to, and my battery just poop. So I did the redneck method of battery charging. I just went ahead and charged them. I took my battery charger, put the negative on the negative, and held the battery there, and touched the positive to the positive of the battery. About, about 4 or 5 times. It wasn't very long. Just long enough till you feel the battery, get a little warm on the. I think the battery got warm on the 5th one. Then I did to the other battery, same way. And now I got full charged batteries according to my camera. Ain't that weird? And they say non-rechargeables aren't rechargeable. Yeah. When you're like me, you're too damn cheap to go buy batteries. Anyways, it should last me for this video, hopefully. I know it's just a quick, short, temporary method. Probably work better on rechargeables. But it works, so let's try this one more time. If it don't start, it don't start. Here we go. Holy moly! Yeah, see what I mean by all the smoke? Yep. There it started, finally. I can't believe it didn't see. It wanted to piss me off. It waited till my batteries ran dead, I guess. Kind of weird, huh? They're never satisfied until they make you make a part 2 of the video, I guess. But it started. See what I mean? It'll do that it will do that. No matter what, it'll do that. And when it warms up, it gets worse. I don't think it's the head gasket. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. It might be. But I really don't think it's the head gasket. But it don't knock. It runs real nice and smooth. That's power. Getting a lot worse. I like the machine. I think I might rebuild it. This is the first John Deere I ever bought, right here. Believe it or not, the very first one. But yeah, so I might rebuild it. It's got, like I said, it's hydrostatic shift. I don't know if these are hydro models or if they're just belt-driven models. Let's break off. See, now to move. There's back, there's forward, there's back, forward. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if these are hydrostatic or if they are ran off of a tensioner. The further you press the pedal, the more tension it puts on the belt. I don't see why, but I know when the brake's on, it don't move. There's no pressure or nothing on the pedal. Lights work too. You've probably seen that, anyways. But overall, it is a nice machine. Well worth rebuilding. Now I said 258.7 hours is what it's got on it. I couldn't remember how many hours it had. What was it? And another video I made, the previous video, I think I said it had 150 on it. But it has 258. But it is smooth running. But I don't get it. It don't knock or nothing. Normally the motor's bad, they knock like a mother. You know what I mean? smoke! So it could very well be the head gasket. So this thing was bought in Pennsylvania. Brown's Equipment Company out of Northeast Pennsylvania is what it says. Nothing runs like a deer. Yeah, there it's getting a little bit less. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. It's choking me out. But like I said, I don't know. It kind of, I wasn't expecting it to just start right up like that. But yeah, I don't know if it's just the head gasket or what. Man, that redneck recharge must have really worked. 6 minutes now on them. Still got 2 cells. But yeah, seems alright. But like I said, it don't knock or nothing. That's what I don't understand. Steering on this thing's really, really tight too. I mean, it's real tight. Very little play. But yep. Alright. Well, let's see if this battery held charge. My terminal's loose. I think. Just the terminal. Yeah, there we go. Let's try that. Yeah, my terminal's loose. But yeah, it did start finally. Yeah, this is the very first John Deere I ever bought. Very first one. This head here that's leaking the oil out of it. Really bad. But oh well, I think I'll probably either just try a head gasket or I might just go ahead and rebuild it. A nice 48-inch deck. Edge cutting system. 48-inch. Alrighty. I'll end it here. And I'll probably, it's going on 8 minutes. Then I'll see if I can't get that one over there to start. 2005 Craftsman LT2000. Bought brand new. Barely used. Maybe 2 months. Alright. Bye.